The Compassionate Geek Group Management Console is a powerful tool for group leaders. You can use it to purchase additional training seats, to enroll learners in a course, to add additional group leaders, and to monitor learner progress through a course. If you're already a group leader, you'll find the console by clicking on the main menu item, My Stuff. Then, in the submenu, click on Group Management. If you don't see Group Management under My Stuff, you're not yet a group leader. Ask a current group leader to add you as an additional group leader. Now that you're in the Group Management console, you can purchase additional seats by clicking on the Add Seats button. As with the initial seat purchase, you can purchase as many seats as you want and wait to use some until they're needed. That way you can take advantage of multiple enrollment tuition rates. The Users button allows you to add learners to empty seats and download a CSV file of existing learners. The use of this button for adding learners is covered in greater detail in a different video. Notice that you can also see a list of your users and their course status. You can click on their status to view more information, including their percentage completed, and if they've completed the course, the date completed. The percentage is how much they've completed of the entire course. You can always return to the main dashboard by clicking the button labeled Back to Group Management in the upper left corner. On the right-hand side is the Reports button, where you can monitor individual and course progress. The first option is Course. When you click on it, you're prompted to select your group and the course you want to monitor. The table will display learner information, including percentage completed of the course, and if the learner has completed the course, the date completed. If you have a large number of users, try using the search box to narrow the results. Notice on the right-hand side is a CSV export button, which you can use to download the results in a spreadsheet. Click on Back to Group Management in the upper left-hand corner to return to the main console. Now back to the Reports button. The next option down is Quiz. When you choose Quiz, you must also select the group, course, and quiz you want to monitor. After you make your selections, you'll see a table listing each of your learners, their quiz scores, and the date on which they took the quiz. You can sort any of the columns by clicking on the column header. You can also click the icon under Detail Report to see more information about that user's performance on that quiz on the date indicated. You can even see their exact results on each question in the quiz by clicking the View link under the quiz question. Click the Close button in the upper right corner. When you're finished, again look in the upper left-hand corner and click on Back to Group Management. The next option under the Reports button is Progress. This allows you to monitor individual learner progress. Under Search Users, enter by user ID, name, or email address to find the learner you wish to monitor. You can enter a portion of a user's name or email address, and the system will prompt you with a list of potential learners to monitor. Choose the one you want to monitor. The system will display all of the courses in which that learner is enrolled, along with a simple progress indicator. Click the down arrow in the far left column to view section-by-section progress. You can also check or uncheck boxes by each individual section, including quizzes, to manually adjust the learner's progress in the course. The system will ask you to confirm before committing the change. Remember, when you have questions or need help, we're here for you. Email us at support@compassionategeek.com.